Hello friends. Antony Waste Handling Cell Limited is one of the top 5 player in Indian municipal solid waste management industry. Company has a track record of more than 19 years and provide full spectrum of municipal solid waste management services including solid waste collection, transportation, processing and disposal service across the country. The company has undertaken more than 25 projects across India, of which 18 projects are ongoing. Company is also a key player in emerging areas in social waste management services like landfill construction and waste to energy projects. In this video, we will look at the IPO details and analyze the prospectus to understand the business model and financial of IPO candidate Antony Waste Handling Cell Limited. As per the prospectus, the IPO issue comprises a fresh issue of Rs 85 crores and offer for sale of Rs 214.98 crores. Of Rs 85 crores raised to a fresh issue, Rs 40 crores will be used to part finance PCMC waste to energy project and Rs 38.5 crores will be utilized for debt repayment in waste to energy subsidiary AG Enviro, and remaining amount will be utilized for general corporate purposes. The IPO issue opens on 21st December and closes on 23rd December. The price band for the IPO is Rs 313 to 315. Minimum lot size is 47 shares and the retail has 35% allocation. Coming to the business details, company's key business operations include municipal solid waste, collection and transportation, MSW processing and mechanized sweeping projects. MSW collection and transportation projects involve door-to-door collection of solid waste from households, commercial establishment from a designated area through a primary collection vehicle, and transport these materials to processing facilities or to a landfill disposal sites. MSW processing projects involve sorting and segregating the waste received from MSW collection and transportation through, and it is processed through composting, shredding and the recycling, etc. The mechanized sweeping projects involve deploying of power sweeping machines, maintenance, safe waste disposals, etc. The company has undertaken more than 25 projects as of November 2020, of which 18 projects are ongoing. The portfolio of 18 projects comprises of 12 MSW C&T projects, 2 MSW processing projects, and 4 mechanized sweeping projects. These are the detailed list of ongoing projects as of November 2020. I will attach more details of the ongoing projects in the comment section. As for November 2020, the company has a fleet of 1,147 vehicles. The company procures components of vehicles and equipments mostly from leading international suppliers, including from Compost Systems Germany. The MSW management industry size is estimated to be Rs 50,000 million industry for FY20 and is expected to reach Rs 98,000 million by FY25, growing at a CAGR of near 15%. And the emerging areas like landfill construction and waste to energy projects are expected to grow even faster. The company also operates one of the largest single location waste processing plant in India. Construction and maintenance of sanitary landfill is a long-term opportunity in India. Coming to the financials, the revenue has grown 27.74% CAGR in the period 2018 to 2020. The revenue grew from 2,761 million to 4,505 million in 2020. The EBITDA grew from 843 million to 1,398 million in 2020, growing at a CAGR of 28.65%. The profit after tax also grew at 24.81% CAGR in the period 2018 to 2020 from 398 million to 620 million. The return on equity declined from 24.48% to 20.09%. Mostly the decline is because the company raised the capitals. Coming to the valuation, the IPO is priced 11.48 times the earnings and 2.3 times the net asset value. Antony Waste Handling Cell is one of the few companies offering full MSW services. So I will put a table with a comparison with the peers. The grey market premium is currently trading at rupees 14. Thank you for watching. Do post your feedbacks and suggestions in comments. Do subscribe. Thank you.